that did not boil well with them, by the way.
The bank?
I remember getting late night phone calls from one of the partners at the US fund, and he was really pissed.
Wow.
But
Why do you think they're so upset? I mean, they have so many sharp people, right?
I have no idea, but he was really upset. Maybe he pushed for me very hard or whatever. I have no idea, but he was really upset.
I bet the recruiters weren't too happy with you either.
Nope. That firm that got me those interviews, I never talked to again.
So you had enough confidence to turn these down. Why do you think you had that confidence? I mean, you feel like, okay, I'm at a good place, and you felt like the mentor gave you that confidence, maybe?
Yes. So basically, on one hand, obviously my mentor, to be fair, and on the other hand, I always say if something doesn't feel right, just don't do it.
I mean, people do not turn down those offers. That's super rare.
It is very rare.
Like that's probably why the guy was going crazy on you. Like, are you stupid? Like, what are you doing?